Smash your hoe, but it's nicely. Yeah, smash your hoe, but politely. I think that she like me. Why? Cause my diamonds be too icy. Hey, smash your hoe.
Yo, you guys feeling that shit? What was this voltage at? Was this voltage good? Yeah. Oh,
I don't got time for some stacking, blow it back in the strip, blow it right quick. I don't got time for some stacking, blow it back in the strip, blow it right quick. I don't got time for some stacking, blow it back in the strip, blow it right quick. I be dripping design on my fabric, I repeat yourself on Molly, I'm savage. 20s up in my back, all the cabbage. Slim thick, that bitch tryna get married. Wanna see the price to go vary. Tap, tap, swipe, I swipe it. I be serving it for no license. I don't come for no reason. I be rapping, getting back and telling you not to buy my actions. I just sweat, that's a transaction. My bro get a piece of the fashion.
Nigga that's getting no paper. I pick up and ballin' like a Laker. That hoe reaching out for me to save her. He the one time, you know I cannot date her. I ain't gon' tell no lie. Tryna own the enterprise. Tryna go worldwide. Worldwide, worldwide. Didn't know about the pain that we went through. Mama crying cause of rental. I've been switching these hoes like a rental. All I got is money on my mental. All I got is the money, no money. Remember days I was broke, I was hungry. Bro, making racks off the dope fame. And they living on my dream.
The skis are, she seen it coming, now she coming my way. Bitch put a beak and she don't wait. Studio track, no 9 to 5. For a nigga slap my ride or die. Got things coming, just see something. Fuck them niggas, they too been minding. Which my moves too much evil life. They talking cash, then my nigga bye-bye. All the power up, I smoke all the time. Need that bitch in my bed, she's all dying. Fuck her once, man, who next in line?
I try to stack and flip it. Double, tripping my digits. She like the style and how I move. Girl, it's a part of the image. Girl, it's a part of my game. Niggas broken, they ain't got no shame. I was walking in the rain. Ever since I started rapping, my life, it ain't been the same. It ain't been the same. Yeah, when it's a lie, man, Astrokidjay like a phone line. Baby girl, I'm in my long game. No, you good, I ain't wasting no time. I wasting no time on you, little bitch.
Alright, so what year is this car?
2015 FG4. I got it phone stock with 60,000 kilometers on it. So far, it's a full bolt-on car. It's got a ported intake manifold, ZDX throttle body to a 3-inch intake, cold air intake. It's got a hybrid race of fuel rail with ID 1050X injectors. It's got an AEM 340 fuel pump. The basic full bolt-on setup. It's street tuned by Steve from E-Tunes right now. Okay. It's got Passport 78 motor mounts, all the mounts. That's pretty much it. It's got a full race downpipe to a 3-inch K-tune catback. I got my dress up, like I got the MPC oil cap K-tune dipstick, which I haven't had problems with yet. It hasn't blown out like a lot of people say it will. For a car full bolt-on, it's just getting ready to go to a Kraftwerk Supercharger kit right now. I have a 105mm pulley for a Kraftwerk kit and an AEM meth kit as well. I'm hoping to make 400 to the wheels. It's going to get tuned by Dyna Motorsports.
Okay.
So I have K-tune K2 circuit coils to go on with K-tune rear camber arms.
They're not on yet though?
They're not on. They're coming on in this spring to early summer.
Okay.
I got full race traction balls as well to go on in the spring. The only thing suspension-wise that's on the car right now is I have a Progress 24mm rear sway bar, and it stiffens the car up completely, night and day difference.
Okay, so you can actually feel that. That's good.
Yeah. In terms of exterior mods, there's nothing really done. You can count the LED headlights I did with LED yellow fog lights.
Okay.
If you count that as a mod, but
yeah, more engine.
I have a front splitter being made right now by Tinfoil Visions. It's still being made. He designed it together. So that should be coming early spring as well. So other than that, it's just your basic full bolt-on Honda. Probably make it 220 to the wheels right now. Nothing crazy.
But after you're done, you have bigger plans for it.
It should almost double the power when we're done.
Okay, shit.
So yeah, that's basically
fast. All right. Well, I'm sure you guys want to see a pull. You guys want to see us do a pull real quick.
The windows were tinted by Ryan at Tint World. It's 20% on the front, 5% on the back glass, the two back windows and the back glass.
Yeah, shout out Tint World.
These are hookup for all our vehicles.
Yeah, you guys need any tint done in the local GTA, Tint World's your guy. That's TINTWORLD, Tint World. He's located on Steeles?
Steeles and Melanie.
Steeles and Melanie. You call that guy up, you tell him Corey sent you, he'll hook you up. Don't worry about it.
I gotta do it again. And as I said before, man, I don't need no fucking friends. Cause all my brothers solid and they right into the end. It's just me and Stein, he my brother to the fucking end. And no, my nigga, I don't believe in love. Man, these bitches so settled, they'll line you up. Don't trust shit, I can fuck with it, lame niggas. Seem to on the range, I don't wanna see the fucking niggas. Yeah, I just want about the broken brothers to the toxic. And I see when I listen to see it, got me nauseous. PTSD, bring me something with these. Smoking on this shit, don't get me high enough. I did jam and I put it right inside my body. Feel like I'm under that, but they still imitating cops. Shorty took her panties off, but you know I just wanna tell her. Probably be too late to the city, acknowledge me. And I know some niggas, man, they already no love me out, man, it feels empty. And yeah, my nigga, I fell in love with Becky. I'm my nigga, trap, we get the package. Scale it up, wrap it up, I gotta do it again. And as I said before, man, I don't need no fucking friends. Cause all my brothers solid and they right into the end. It's just me and Stein, he my brother to the fucking end. And I know some niggas, man, they already no love me out, man, it feels empty. And yeah, my nigga, I fell in love with Becky. I'm my nigga, trap, we get the package. Scale it up, wrap it up, I gotta do it again. And as I said before, man, I don't need no fucking friends. Cause all my brothers solid and they right into the end. It's just me and Stein, he my brother to the fucking end.
Let me get like at 9. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
We going in like it's the principal's office. Raise your glass up in the air. And say the faggots dress as bitches, get the fuck up out of here. We a straight wave, headed for your mainframe. And if she like it, she gon' wanna take your main name. I might have to change my direction like a compass. You know I love to eat the beat cause it's scrumptious. Haters talking shit, those get hit up in their mouthpiece. The way that I'm flowing, they like, boy, you where the trout be. I've been waiting patiently for y'all to doubt me, cause I might have to eat them up like chow mein. Got the place on fire, let the bitch burn. Lucky shoe horse called that bitch U-turn. The bitches, my dick be Listerine, and your dick in every single bitch a cavity.
Somebody open up another bottle. We about to light this place on fire, 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 fire. Come on, turn the music up louder. We about to light this place on fire,
Fire.
fire, fire.
Ayo, Height-wise, you dealing with fights enemy. You want the wordplay? I'll be a verbal enemy. Strike without fear, you heard my stomp elephant. Trunk to the dome, my hits never hesitate. Keep the shit moving like a telekinetic mind.
Still cold?
Yeah. You recording?
This is not.
You recording?
What do you want to say? What do you want to say? What do you?
The light's on, but is it? I don't know.
What do you want to say?
Okay, there's an EK Hutch, custom painted brown. It's got 16 by.
Bro, nigga, it's not your car. This kid is not.
Make a bedrock, hit that spot, bitch, I'm non-stop, Mr. GETGUAP. Hey, I'm ballin', yeah, she see me ballin'. Hit her in the morning, and now she want me callin'. I'm poppin', bitch, I'm really poppin'. Money up the wallet, cause I had to flaunt till she see me, want me on it.